150 years ago, Purdue University was born. Within it, it contained many different facets of majors. Despite the workload, the industrial engineers persevere through it all. Here we have a wild industrial engineering student. As he ponders his daily routine, he weighs the pros and cons of studying versus an invigorating night at the arcade. He uses his financial engineering skills to analyze whether the arcade is a risk or not. Finally, he decides that studying is the better route. The industrial engineer then takes to his desk when he realizes the state that his belongings are in. He then adapts using the human factors method of 5S. He starts with sorting, then setting them in order. As you can see, he shines them with vigorous force, which is crucial for survival. Then, he standardizes the system with strenuous effort. Finally, he hopes to sustain this new lifestyle for better longevity. Now that his desk is clear of danger, he can start his daily task. The Purdue industrial engineer begins designing his shelter for the polar vortex coming in. Now that it is complete, he journeys to the BIDC, where there are a multitude of student projects being printed out daily. .3D printing can be utilized by all industrial engineers to create models. 3D printing can be used to develop products, create tools to aid the manufacturing process, make replacement parts, and so much more. All of his work makes him hungry, so he signals his animal friends to join him for a meal. A working IE needs protein each day to survive. If an IE wants to stay fast, then they must be lean. So they should eat no more than 12 grams of fat. There are 2 restaurants. La Salsa has 4 helpings available, each including 3 grams of protein and 2 grams fat. And Freshens has 2 helpings available, each including 2 grams protein and 4 grams of fat. Let's watch how the IE eats to maximize protein. Now that Riley has finished with his daily tasks, he can celebrate with his animal friends. They decide to go to the arcade after all. But then a horrible accident happens. Tune in to our next episode to learn more about healthcare engineering and to see how industrial engineers can help Riley by optimizing the healthcare system and rise to the top of the food chain.